Let's cook our barbecue spare ribs. Our ingredients are pork spare ribs, ketchup, barbecue sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, ground rosemary, and ground sage. We are featuring a frozen pork spare ribs. This video calls for most of us who are busy and who don't have time for thoughts and can't wait for the usual 3 to 4 hours long before they can taste their barbecues. Placing an extra layer of foil at the bottom of the pan can save us time from the cleaning of any drippings. For wrapping the ribs, we use 2 layers of foil at the bottom and 1 to 2 layers on top. Adding an extra layer prevents any accidental holes, since our goal is to pressurize the meat inside. Place the washed ribs over the 2-layered foil. You can add salt and pepper or any dry seasonings during this time if you prefer. But if you are somewhat health conscious, you can just go ahead and leave it this way. Seal the edges very tightly as much as you can. Remember, we are to pressurize the pork inside. If there's any hole, change the foil. This is also to prevent meat from burning. Preheat oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and once heated, bake spare ribs for an hour and 15 minutes. At the meantime, we are going to prepare our barbecue sauce. You will be needing 6 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of paprika, half tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, half tablespoon, half tablespoon of ground rosemary, and half tablespoon of ground sage. Mix it very well and set aside. Our ribs is now cooked, which has been pressurized from the oven, and now we're ready for some sauce lathering. Drain the excess fluid. Its texture is juicy and easy to separate from the bone. Place back uncovered in the oven in a broil setting until it will caramelize for your desired consistency or for about 5 minutes. Remember, broil setting. This is now our finished barbecue pork spare ribs. Up next is food for the thoughts.